In this video, I'm going to show you how to design and install a drip irrigation system for gardeners and small-scale farmers using their domestic water supply to irrigate raised beds. Drip irrigation saves water, time, and money. It is a great risk management tool for small-scale agricultural producers and a great irrigation technique for beginning farmers as they get started. Drip irrigation systems are also easy to install. Let's take a look. The two simple tools required for this project is a pair of scissors and a hole puncher. The materials are plugs, couplers, on-off valve, end crimps, stake holders, a 25 psi regulator valve, a backflow valve, a faucet to poly fitting, a 150 mesh screen, a timer, your 1/4 inch drip poly, and a 1/4 inch vinyl tubing, and a roll of 1/2 inch poly black tubing. With the busy schedules that we have, I strongly recommend to install a timer. With a timer, you just set it and forget it. You can set to drip irrigate once, every 2 hours, 4 hours, all the way up to 7 days. You also have the options of watering anywhere from 2 minutes all the way up to 120 minutes. Next, we install the backflow valve. Next is the 25 psi regulator. This keeps the lines from bursting if you have an excessive amount of pressure from your faucet. Next is your 150 mesh screen. This is designed to catch any debris that passes through the system, and it's easy to clean out by just removing the bottom cap, taking out your mesh, cleaning it out, and just reinstalling it. And lastly, install your faucet to 1/2 inch poly fitting. Next, we're going to slip the 1/2 inch poly into the faucet fitting. Apply pressure, slip into the fitting, and then tighten nut. Next, unroll your 1/2 inch poly all the way to your raised bed garden. Cut 1/2 inch poly, and I'm going to turn on the faucet to wash out the dirt and debris. Next, we're going to build our manifold using the 1/2 inch poly. First, we're going to set it on top of the bed and go about 3 inches past the end on both sides. Cut your 1/2 inch poly. Next, on each end, we'll slip in the crimp ends about 8 inches. We're going to fold and crimp one end of our 1/2 inch poly. And there we have our manifold. Next, we're going to attach our manifold to our 1/2 inch poly. First, we'll take the 1/4 inch vinyl tube, install a coupler by pushing in and wiggling it in all the way to the base. Next, we're going to take our hole puncher, puncture a hole in our 1/2 inch poly, install our coupler into the 1/2 inch poly, take your 1/4 inch vinyl, bring it to your manifold and cut it. Next, install a 1/4 inch coupler into your 1/4 inch vinyl tube. Puncture a hole into your 1/2 inch poly manifold. Install your coupler. Next, I'm going to install a 1/4 inch on-off valve to cut off the supply to this particular garden if and when we need to shut the water off. When you install the on-off valve, make sure that the arrow points in the direction of the manifold. There we have it. Next, install your 1/4 inch coupler into your 1/4 inch inline drip tubing. Puncture a hole into your 1/2 inch poly. Install your coupler and unroll your 1/4 inch drip. As you're unrolling, go ahead and apply your 1/4 inch stake holders. When you get to the end, cut your 1/4 inch poly, install a plug, put on your stake holder, and we're done. We're going to repeat this 3 more times. And now I'm going to flush out the line. So keep in mind, the few minutes spent assembling a drip system now will save you hours of time and gallons of water later. So while you're on the go, your garden will grow. Till next time, keep it growing.